Hi guys, sorry for the long hiatus. Now, here's a 3-hour video essay on milk. Okay, so milk began when we sucked it out of teats as babies. That's kind of it. A baby just sort of liked it one time and it just became a thing. Anyway, then we enslaved cows and now we put them in little boxes, and these days you get red milk, blue milk and green milk. Those are the colours that you can get. Green milk, the normie milk, that one tastes like grass, and blue milk, that tastes like the sky, and red milk tastes like water because it's like the fake kind of milk. So in this video I'm going to be introducing you to another type of milk. This is shit like oat milk and milk made out of pennies that you find down the back of your sofa. And if you really, really look hard enough, you can find milk that is made out of your own tears. Like, you have to go to the back of the supermarket, go to the back of your Tesco, like, you will find it, the milk that is made out of your tears, and you can buy it, and then you can use it in your cereal and your daily life. If you carry a bottle of this tear milk around, then, like, you're a fucking god, my dude. Yeah, so that's it. Next video will be a 60-minute one about poo. Yeah, like literal feces, you know. Bye bye.